guys, we just stopped, well, we just went through the Grand Teton entrance, Grand Teton National Park. So we were excited because that wasn't our original route. We were gonna avoid that and just head straight to Mount Rushmore, but with some transmission issues, our valves were sticking. We're good now for now, but it's gonna eventually need to go to a transmission shop. But anyways, with that, we've slowed it down. We're taking more time on the road, going slower and enjoying the scenery more, which is absolutely beautiful out here. We are absolutely loving it. But right now we're in the Grand Teton National Park and just blown away. Like some of the shots, like just some of the views, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So super glad we stopped here and are going this route now. So we're going with the flow. Fun fact, we haven't made any of our campsite reservations that we made. We had everything planned out perfectly, guys, and that's just not how it goes when you're on the road. So none of our reservations have been made, but that's okay. We are going with the flow. We will stop somewhere and camp tonight, or I don't know, find a KOA, maybe get in a cabin and get off the ground for the night. Haven't decided yet, but don't have great cell service, so we can't really plan, which is fine, totally good. But anyways, look at this. This is beautiful. I'm gonna flip you around. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.